Hi everyone, we've made it to the final week. Now that you have the experience of learning from your colleagues, various theorists, and multiple texts, it's time for you to form your own research-based opinions. As you reflect on your learning this week, think about how it has changed since the beginning of this course. What beliefs do you still hold? Which have you abandoned? What new ways of thinking have you adopted? If you are in the lab portion of this course, you will be elaborating on this line of thinking by reflecting on your lab experience through the development of a final case study project. As you complete your literacy beliefs final project, please be thinking about applications for your future classroom. Go back and reread the rubric prior to submission to ensure that you have included all of the necessary information. Thank you for all of your hard work during this course. I know that the content is quite heavy, but I hope you have a firm foundation for your future literacy instruction and have enjoyed at least some of this in the process. This week, if you haven't already read chapters 21 through 24, you might want to peruse those chapters. Now, your literacy beliefs final project. Here is the rubric. Please be sure that you have read that. I sent an email concerning this rubric and a link to Screencast-O-Matic, which you can record your presentation on, which is mentioned here, that you need to be visible and audible throughout the presentation. Make sure that you have more than 5 research-based sources. That your project shows extensive examples of classroom applications and explains specifically how this research will be used in your classroom. Make sure that you are showing a deep integrated understanding of balanced literacy, understanding of current research, and make sure that your writing is concise. As you are working on the final project, be thinking about, how does a child learn to read and write? What phases does the child go through? What research tells you this? Your project should include what your literacy classroom will look like, sound like. How will you structure your day to optimize learning? What is your belief on involving families in the literacy learning process? How will you do that? How will you get them involved? What methods of instruction will you use to teach students? What research do you have to validate your methods? How does assessment factor into your literacy teaching? How will you use that assessment? If you have any questions about this assignment, please ask me. I have asked that you have it submitted by Friday. The reason I'm asking this is in case there are any technical glitches, they can be straightened out before Saturday at 11:59 p.m. because I cannot accept any work after that time. When this course ends, you will be receiving your end of course survey. Please take time to fill that out. This really helps us when we revise courses. And also, if you have not ordered books for your next class, you might want to do that now so that they arrive on time and you're prepared for the first week of class. Again, if you have any questions, please ask me. Thank you.